House Design Spot presents House I by Obra Arquitectos. Near Pinamar, Partido de la Costa is formed by a series of projects and urban developments, among which is the Costa Esmeralda neighborhood. Surrounded by forests and coastal dunes, its longitudinal limits are the Argentinian Sea to the east and National Route 11 to the west, which, among other characteristics, encourage its constant residential growth. The carpentry materialized in black anodized aluminum gives its own brightness and transparency. The furniture chosen and designed integrally throughout the house was manufactured entirely in paradise wood, enhancing the synthesis of nobility and neutrality that seeks to convey the house in its functional and formal totality. The design response seeks to take advantage of the best orientations, north and east, formally generating two perpendicular volumes. The first in a transverse direction arranges the common areas, while the second in a longitudinal direction, the sleeping area. Both are connected by a single glazed corridor to an interior courtyard that gives a sense of fluidity and spatial dynamism, and merges both the indoor-outdoor relationship and the functional relationship of the different areas. The exterior-interior spatial continuity is achieved from fully glazed planes in the front and back facades that open and connect the house, with a constant but controllable visual and spatial permeability. For the concept of summer housing, materials that do not require constant maintenance are fundamental in the coastal area, combined with a mixed construction.